Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina. Today we'll study a very important topic which is grammar on the go. What we will learn in this topic is correct use of adjectives. There are some adjective words of which we have to learn the correct use. So let's start the video. First is later. L-A-T-E-R, later, which refers to time subsequent, which refers for time, means at a later time, बाद में. So the test will take place at a later date. For example, the test will take place at a later date, means test जो है वो बाद के किसी दिन में, बाद की किसी डेट में हो जाएगा. Fine. Next is letter. L-A-T-T-E-R. Here we use L-A-T-T-E-R. That is second of two things. Means we have two things, and out of that two things, if we talk about the second thing, then we will use letter. For example, out of the two stories, the latter one is interesting. Out of the two books, the latter is useful. Means the second one is useful. Fine. Next is late. You are familiar to it. L-A-T-E, late. That is after usual time. The train is late today. He joined the class late. Next, latest. L-A-T-E-S-T. Latest. That is recent thing. Recent thing, you can say newly thing or recent thing which arrived or which appeared recently. For example, what is the latest news of Corona? What is the latest update about Corona? So, what is the recent update? What is the recent news about Corona? Fine. Next, L-A-S-T, last. L-A-S-T, you know about it. After all the others, you know, you are familiar to it. He was the last boy to attend the meeting. I was the last person to join the class. So, last after all the others. Next, nearest. N-E-A-R-E-S-T. Nearest, which means very close. Okay, very close. For example, which is the nearest stationery shop? Which is the nearest confectionery shop? Which is the nearest taxi stand from here? Means you are at a particular place and you want to ask that what is the nearest one from here. Fine. Next everyone knows N-E-X-T, next, that comes after the present. Agla. You used to ask, ma'am, what is the next question? Ma'am, what we will do next? What we will learn next? So next, agla. Next is few, a few and the few. Few, a few, the few. First of all, we will learn where we use all the three. Few, a few and the few, means where we use few. So few, we use few, a few and the few with countable things. We use few, a few and the few with countable things. Countable means which we can, yes, which we can count. Right answer. So, few means almost none, means there is hardly anything. Okay, मुश्किल से कोई चीज का होना, almost none, ना के बराबर, ठीक है, मतलब जीरो के बराबर कोई चीज है, मुश्किल से कोई चीज है. For example, few persons can keep up the secret. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो secret रख सकते हैं. Few persons are faultless. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो बिना गलती के हैं. मीन्स कॉमनली हर एक पर्सन जो है वो गलती करता है. मीन्स देयर आर हार्डली एनी. Few persons can reach the age of, or few persons reach the age of 100 years. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो 100 साल तक की एज तक पहुंचते हैं. Few persons reach the age of 100 years. Next is a few. A few, a small number. A few shows a small number. It shows positivity. The number which is there is important. Fine. And the few, all that is there, means the whole which is present. The whole, all that is there. Fine. Let's look at these three with the help of an example. For example, there is a class of 40 students, and out of this 40 students, 3 students are sitting in the class. 3 students are sitting in the class. So what we can say, few students are sitting in the class, or you can say few students are attending the class. Means the class is not empty. There are students, but they are not sufficient as compared to 40 students. They are almost none. So we'll say few students are sitting in the class. Now if there are about 10, 15, 17, 18 students, then we can say a few students are sitting in the class. A few students are sitting in the class. Fine. Next, the few, the whole number which is present. So we can say the few students who were sitting in the class also left. The few students who were sitting in the class also left. Means वो थोड़े से बच्चे, वो कुछ बच्चे जो क्लास में थे वो भी चले गए. Means जो अमाउंट था वो भी चला गया. Fine. Now next is little. Little means almost none. As few is used for countable noun, little, a little and the little, they are used for uncountable nouns. Now its meaning is the same, almost none, that is hardly anything. For example, there is little hope of his recovery, that is he is not likely to recover. He has little influence of his old followers, मतलब जो उसके पुराने मित्र हैं उसका बहुत कम इन्फ्लुएंस है, मतलब ना के बराबर प्रभाव है, वो किसी से इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होता. ठीक है. He shows little mercy for his friends. उसके दिल में उसके दोस्तों के लिए कोई मर्सी नहीं है, बहुत कम मर्सी वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए दिखाता है. ओके. A little, it talks about a small quantity. It talks about a small quantity. And the little, all that is there. The little, all that is there. Let's look at it with an example. I have drawn a glass here. Suppose in this glass there is this much water. Fine. So it's not empty. There is water, but it is of no use. What to use it? It cannot quench one's thirst. It cannot be used for anything. It is almost negative in amount. So we will say little water is left in glass. Little water is left in glass. Or I have left with little milk. Okay. I have left with little milk. Suppose it is milk, so we will use little for because it is also an uncountable noun. I have left with little milk. Now it is some in quantity. Not the whole, it is not the whole, it's not filled up to the brim or it is not filled, but yeah, it is something in quantity. So when it is something in quantity, we will use a little because it shows positivity, it shows a small quantity. So a little water is left in glass, a little milk is left with me. Okay, when I have a small quantity, that is positive, that is important, I will say a little. Now the little means all that is there, means all that is there. Fine. So I have the little milk to prepare a cup of tea. I have the little milk to prepare a cup of tea. Means एक कप चाय बन जाए इतना ही दूध है मेरे पास, उससे ज्यादा नहीं है. ओके. द होल अमाउंट, द होल क्वांटिटी, जो क्वांटिटी है वो इतनी ही है कि उससे एक कप चाय बन जाए. सो द लिटिल मिल्क लेफ्ट, आई हैव द लिटिल मिल्क टू प्रिपेयर अ कप ऑफ टी. फाइन. आई गेस these uses are clear. Little, it shows negative quantity. A little, it shows a small quantity, positive in number. The little, a whole amount, all that is there. Next, much. Much is used for a large quantity. It is used for a large quantity, and as it is used for a quantity, so it is talking about uncountable noun. Okay. When we use much with uncountable noun, with a large quantity. Okay. Next is many. We use many with a large number. a large number, and when we talk about number, it is countable. When we talk about number, it is countable. So we use many with countable and much with uncountable. For example, many students are ready to give test. Many students are ready to give test. Much of my time is wasted. Much of my time is wasted. I have much work to do. I have much work to do. Many of your friends are waiting for you. Many of your friends are waiting for you. So we use much with uncountable and we use many with countable. Fine. Next is several. Several is used when a number that is not very little, sorry, I skipped it. A number that is not very little but not very large. ना ही कम है, ना ही ज़्यादा है, ठीक ठीक है, okay? A number that is not very little but not very large either. ठीक है, ना वो कम है, ना वो ज़्यादा है. Several of your clothes are dirty. ठीक है, आपके बहुत से कपड़े हैं जो गंदे हैं. Several of your clothes are dirty. Fine. So it talks about a number that is not very little and either it is not very large. Next, both. So as it suggests both when we talk about two persons or things, both of you are called by the principal. Both of you have to attend the meeting. Principal is calling both of you. So both when we talk about, it refers to two persons or things. So students, I hope all these uses of these adjectives are clear to you. Let's quickly revise them. Later, that is later, we use it for time, reference, time subsequent. Later, latter, we use it for second of two things. Late, it tells about after usual time. Latest, it speaks about recent thing. Last, it speaks about after all the others. Nearest, it speaks about very close. Next, it comes after the present. Few, that refers to almost none, negative in quantity. A few, it refers to a small number, positive in quantity. The few, it refers to all that is there or all amount. Fine. Little, it refers to almost none, negative in quantity. A little, a small quantity, positive. The little, all that is there, the whole amount. Much, it speaks about a large quantity. Many, it speaks about a large number. Several, it talks about a number that is not very little and not very large. Both when we talk about two persons or things. Remember students that we use few, a few and the few with countable nouns and little, a little and the little with uncountable nouns. We use much with uncountable noun and we use many with countable noun. Several, if you say, it is also used with countable noun because it is talking about a number, fine? So don't be confused in that. I hope you have understood this video nicely. If you have any query, you are free to call me anytime. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.